Today let's have a look at this beautiful 1975 Yamaha TD1B factory racer. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. I'm very happy to offer up this very nice 75 TD1B 250cc twin cylinder air-cooled two-stroke motor running the remote float bowl Mikunis. Also very nice expansion chambers both sides. Akront alloy wheels, very nice alloy gas tank, not fiberglass. Drum brakes front and rear. These TD1Bs were the predecessor to the TZs, and these bikes were very competitive back in the day. They make great armor racers today, or if you need to fill a hole in your race bike lineup and need a TD1B, this would be a very nice bike to have for that purpose. And this motorcycle is actually going to be going over our auction block, our online auction block, this coming October through BaderClassicAuctions.com. So make sure you stop by there, check it out. If you haven't already registered for bidding, it's free, it's easy. We have tons of parts, all selling at no reserve, a number of motorcycles selling at no reserve. And this bike will be in the lineup. We'll also be featuring it on our regular website, BaderInternational.com, so you can check it out there as well. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, make sure you check out all the others we have up on YouTube. Love for you to subscribe, hit the like buttons, all the rest of that good stuff. If you want to leave a comment, please feel free to do so. If you have any questions, you can also give me a call. Thanks for watching.